valley, stories unfold. Grandfather's wisdom, more precious than gold. Mama's hands, worn from love and toil, teaching us grace in this island soil. At ease, my island home, let the world see. Respect is the root of our family tree. I rise with the sun, give thanks to the day. Mama taught me love, Papa showed the way. To ain't a speak truth, I sit and I learn. Respect ain't a trend, it's something you earn. From the valley to the sea, we move with grace. No loud mouths here, just honor in place. Island life ain't soft, but the heart is strong. Fa'alalo in my blood, it's where I belong. Island time ain't just slow days, it's making space for elders' ways. Their voice is the drum, their word the tide. We dance in rhythm side by side. Our family tree. Our family tree. Respect is the root of our family tree.